Good afternoon everyone. Now we will perform single phase voltage source inverter with R load, L load and RL load. So this is the single phase 3-phase voltage. This is the 3-phase voltage source inverter, out of which we will use only 4 devices, 4 IGBTs out of 6. So we can use these 4 IGBTs to perform the experiment of single phase voltage source inverter. This single phase voltage source inverter is connected through a single phase variac where we can increase or decrease the voltage, and in between one isolation transformer is connected, and the output of this isolation transformer is connected to the your input of 3-phase voltage source inverter. Now we will connect your single phase load across the single phase voltage source inverter. Now we will connect this load across single phase full wave inverter. So here I am connecting the single phase. Here I am connecting the load across single phase full wave inverter. Now we will see the output voltage across this load with these two CRO probes. This is the positive probe and this is the ground. So we will connect these two terminals across the load. So let's connect. Here it is negative terminal and it is connected. Now we will see the output voltage waveform. So as you are able to see, we have connected these CRO probes across the load. So here is the output voltage waveform. Your output voltage is square wave with R load. Okay, thank you. Here the multimeter is connected to see the input voltage. That's it. So now we have connected the inductive load. Now we have connected the inductive load in place of resistive load. So now we are interested to see the waveform across inductive load. So can you show me the IRO across inductive load? Okay, as you are able to see, your load current is purely triangular wave in case of inductive load. And can you show me the output voltage across inductor? Okay. Now we will see the output voltage across inductor. Output voltage across inductor is output voltage across inductor is, as you are able to see, this is square wave. Output current is triangular wave and output voltage is square wave. Now we will see the voltage across RL load and current across RL load. So here RL load is connected across your single phase voltage source inverter, and now we will give supply to your inverter, that is we have now supplied. Can you show me the output voltage waveform now?
Okay.
So now we are watching the current waveform across RL load by connecting IRO and another one is to ground. So this is the current across RL load. Now we will see the voltage across RL load. Can you show me the voltage across RL load? It is the voltage across RL load. As you are able to see, this is square waveform. Your current waveform was different, but voltage waveform is same for R load, L load as well as RL load. That is square waveform. So we performed the single phase full wave inverter with R load, L load and RL load. Okay, thank you.